This is a support video for the S3 and National 4 Analogue Electronics workbooklet. This time we're looking at task 6. And the circuit we've got here on the screen this time is what we call a parallel circuit. Now what that means is that switches A and B form their own little circuit, forming part of a much bigger circuit. And the way that this essentially works this time is that when both switches are open, as they are in this situation, then we've got no clear path that electricity or current can pass through. So there's nothing there for switch A, and this time we can see a switch. Switch B is providing a brake, which means that no current can flow, and so the motor can't rotate. However, if I now close switch A on its own, then there's a path provided this way through switch A, which will then form a circuit so that the motor can rotate. Now I need to be patient while the motor slows down and hopefully comes to a near stop, but I'm not going to wait for it to stop because we'll be here for a while. There, I've closed switch B on its own, switch A is open, but there is a path now for the current to flow, and so the motor can rotate. And again, if I open switch B again and give it a few seconds, then I can see that the motor's slowing down because there's no path for the current to flow round about the circuit. However, what is also useful to know is that if both switches are close together, then one way or another there is definitely a path for the current to flow through the circuit, and so the motor's able to operate.